Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Let's take a closer look at the recent price action and what it means for Bitcoin in the coming days. On the 4-hour chart, we've seen a significant development with Bitcoin reaching a local top of $67,984 today. Now this is critical because we've officially broken the downward trend line that started all the way back in mid-March. If you've been following the trend, you know that this level has acted as a strong resistance zone. But today we broke above it, which is ultra bullish for Bitcoin's momentum moving forward. The breakout suggests that we're setting the stage for a possible larger move to the upside. To add to this bullish sentiment, we've also printed a green dot on the chart, a key signal that historically points to more upside potential. We're currently testing the upper boundary of the blue channel around $67,000. If we break above this level, things could heat up very quickly. Beyond that, we're keeping an eye on the next significant target around 68,000 and higher. Now let's move to some on-chain data and ETF inflows. Yesterday, the 15th of October, we saw an enormous ETF inflow of $555.9 million, with Fidelity leading the charge, accounting for over $239 million of that. This kind of institutional activity has undoubtedly contributed to today's strength in Bitcoin's price. In a few hours, we'll likely see a report on ETF inflows that might give us more clarity on how much of today's pump was driven by fresh inflows. Turning to the liquidation heat map, we're watching an important level around $65,000. There's a significant volume of $63 million in long positions waiting to get liquidated. This area could be a key battleground in the short term. To the upside, we've got liquidation levels at $67,555 and $67,612, with volumes of 30.56 million and 35.5 million respectively. These are the key levels that could trigger more volatility if we see another surge in buying pressure. In traditional markets, gold saw a 1% increase today, reinforcing its position as a safe haven asset. This flight to safety signals that investors are seeking stability amidst growing uncertainty. Now, why is this important for Bitcoin traders? When we see capital moving into gold, it often reflects risk-off sentiment, and historically, Bitcoin has sometimes followed suit as a hedge against broader economic fears. If you're interested in trading gold with your USDT tether, that's absolutely possible on BingX. Link with maximum affiliate discount in the pinned comment below. It's crazy that a crypto-native exchange can offer trading commodities like that. BingX is very special in that regard. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 dropped by 0.85% in the last 24 hours, highlighting caution in equities. If this trend continues, we could see more traditional investors exploring Bitcoin as an alternative store of value, potentially driving more buying pressure into BTC. With all these factors combined, the next few days are looking very exciting, especially as Bitcoin approaches these critical levels. Make sure to stay tuned for more detailed analysis and insights right here on the channel, and see you in the next one.